Okay, so when we go to ClipChamp, it should allow you to log in with your Google account. That will be very good because it'll add your drive. I'm going to go to my videos real quick, and it saves all them as projects. I don't think there's a limit on cloud storage or amount of projects in here in the free version. What we can do though, just kind of looking at my layout here, is we have basically all your toolbars on the side here. All right, so you have you can add media, all right, which that would probably be the first thing you would do. All right, so you can add from a bunch of different cloud apps. I use Google Drive. ClipChamp stopped working. That's good. Good start there. So that's where we'd probably start. We would add. We would go to Google Drive. We do continue. Select your account, and then it should find everything that you have uploaded into your Google Drive. All right. So when you shoot your footage, starting today, you don't have to. That would be the next thing to do. Would be to go through and upload that to your Google Drive, just like we did yesterday when I asked you to do that. So we can just upload film? You're going to film on your phone, all right, and then upload it to Google Drive. And then we can just upload from Google Drive from the website. You can, yeah. So that's one way. And actually, I forgot. What's really cool about this site, hopefully this will work for you guys, you don't even have to upload to Google Drive. You see, there's another option here, from phone. So what it does, you take a picture of this with your camera, and then it will allow you to upload directly from your phone to ClipChamp, which is pretty cool. So it eliminates that step of uploading to Google Drive. All right. I don't know if the network in here, if you have to be on it or anything, or using data, if that causes an issue, but that's a pretty cool feature of this, I thought, is that you don't have to go right to there. All right, once you get in there, or you get your footage in there, you would drag it to the timeline, which, let me just, I can't quite see my button here. I think it's because I'm zoomed in. Yes. All right, so you have your timeline, all right? You have, zooming in on the timeline is this. So you notice right now that the duration of my clips is getting longer, all right? And then I can also scroll over. So I'm not making my clips longer, but I'm actually just zooming in. All right. So what we have here is I have, oh, something's missing. Uh-oh. Basically, you're going to drag stuff down to your toolbar. All right. I'm going to show this one, then we'll start building it kind of together. So I found some stock music in here. It says it's trying to locate an asset. So I have something at home, I think, that I downloaded on my computer there. But yeah, this video down here, let's see if I can locate it in my Google Drive. No. So let's see if I do it that way. That was supposed to be my intro video. So if I just go into here, let's see. Oh, I think I linked to my personal account. That's what I think I did. All right, so when you import from your phone, it's going to ask you where you want to put it. So I'll just put it here for now, into my pictures folder or my videos. All right, and then all we're going to do is drag this onto the timeline. All right, so we can see this coming in here. All right, but we do have background music from the video. So we can delete that or hide it. So we have our video placed in here, and then we can go up to audio, and this would be our track volume. Depending on what you have selected, you're going to have different options up here in the top. All right, so I could adjust audio. I could make this faster, right? So instead of like a slow entrance, we could do a fast one. We can adjust colors. All right, so all kinds of stuff in here. You can apply filters, which You know, some are color adjusted if you want to kind of get a dramatic effect. So all this stuff here on the top, as far as also you can do rotating, you can do cropping, picture in picture. So you can layer one video on top of another if you wanted to. There is a bunch of stuff to do here. All right, but that would be my first part, is just importing the video and then adding it to the timeline. For audio, so I have music in the back, I can select add audio. So I could upload, or so that would be uploading from somewhere. I can also, let's see if how do I go back to that? I want to get over here. There we go. So we have, I think, sound effects and video, one of these. Hold on, nobody's watching on this. Audio, I can go over to music and effects on the left side here. You can choose all this stuff and just add it. So now it's added to my timeline down here. All right, so we would have our clips put in there. We have our audio. Titles are something else I'm going to want to have you do. Now I want the title before my video to start, so I can just drag this video along the timeline so I have some space at the beginning. This thing here at the top is called our playhead. All right, so now if I want my text to be at the beginning, I'm going to choose text here, and they have all these different options. I think this is the one I picked. I press the plus, it adds it to the timeline, and I would maybe make this duration not go the entire time. So I can click on here, and then if I click up on text, I can replace that with, you know, what I would want. So that should be our title, OCVTS brick, which actually you guys are going to have the name of the class for yours, because I'm going to kind of have one establishing shot for everybody's, and we're going to combine them together in the end. All right, so now we have our title, which you can go in and you can change your colors if you wanted to. You can transform, positioning, and then the text. All right. There are some other kind of cool aspects in here as well. Where was it? Overlays. So you could do, I think I had this one on there before, this progress bar. So as the video is playing, you'll see like a little progress bar, just kind of a graphic. You could extend it to the end and it kind of indicate how long the video is, but you know, you can kind of experiment and go through here and see what types of things you want there. Lastly, the one thing I thought was really cool in here, just to show you how kind of sophisticated this this video is, or this software, I found this image of this kind of construction worker, right? You can actually do chroma keying in here. So if I took this video here, which has clearly a green screen background, and then I can put, let's see, this one underneath of it. And now if I click on this video and I go to filter, they actually have a green screen one. And now look, now he's on this whatever gradient background. All right, so basically we're gonna, I think those are the basics of this ClipChamp. You can hopefully figure out, you know, how to adjust those things kind of like an app would. But you know, you'll shoot your videos, you'll upload them to Google Drive, or you can use the add from camera option and just put in your clips in order. All right, and then it does save kind of automatically, but you should probably not make this untitled. Maybe make it the name of the class. I'm just writing class demo for now. And then we will export it at the end. But I'll probably talk about that on Thursday. All right, kind of the final parts of that.